Hello foodies, welcome back to the Smoothies Bar channel. My name is Ishwari and I'm pleased to have you here. Today, I'm gonna be making a mouth-watering pink pitaya dragon fruit smoothie bowl. So obviously, I'll be talking a lot about the star of today's video, dragon fruits. Dragon fruits have a unique look and taste. They were named by their appearance. The pointy scales around oval-shaped fruit are reminiscent of a dragon. Dragon fruit will likely agree with your palate if you prefer sweet tasting rather than sour fruit. In fact, it has a refreshing, remarkably subtle and refined taste punctuated by an enticing and mild sweetness. It tastes like a cross between a kiwi and a pear. Flavor is associated with the color of the flesh. Whitish dragon fruit often has a mild taste, while darker, redder flesh can be sweeter and juicier. When choosing a dragon fruit, look for a specimen with bright, evenly colored skin. If it has too many brown blotches or if it has a dry shriveled stem, it's probably overripe. Ripe dragon fruit has a bright pink color with smooth skin. The dragon fruit should not be rock hard. If the dragon fruit feels mushy, it is overripe. Store uncut dragon fruit in the refrigerator for up to 3 days. To store the dragon fruit for a long time, you will need to freeze it. Heat the dragon fruit and then cut it up for storage. This way, the dragon fruit should last for several months in the freezer. The best time to get fresh dragon fruit in India is during June to September. For some varieties, the peak months occur in August and September. Pitaya is rich in magnesium, potassium and calcium. Dragon fruit is a beautiful tropical fruit full of fiber and packed with nutrients. Dragon fruit is high in vitamin C and other antioxidants. It can boost your iron levels, and iron is important for moving oxygen through your body and give you energy. The vitamin C in dragon fruit helps your body take in and use the iron. Dragon fruits have a number of health benefits. They may help fight chronic diseases, promote a healthy gut, strengthen your immune system. It's good for your digestion. It helps prevent and fight cancer. It helps stabilize your blood sugar. It's heart healthy. It's healthy for your skin. It can help support healthy bones and so on. Let's get to the making of pink pitaya dragon fruit smoothie bowl. Let's start by chopping these 2 fully ripe bananas for natural sweetness and thick creamy texture. For replenishing energy and electrolytes, bananas can be more effective than the sports drinks, and that's why it's a great way to add it to your smoothies. The resistant starch in bananas may support your gut health and control blood sugar. Banana is a very popular fruit due to its low price and high nutritive value. For the recipe, all you need is 1 banana, 1 dragon fruit, half cup coconut cream, 3 tablespoons pink pitaya powder, 1 pinch salt. For the toppings, dragon fruit, blueberries, raspberries, chia seeds, almonds. Now add all the ingredients in the blending jar. I like Himalayan pink salt because it detoxifies your body naturally and makes the taste richer. Coconut cream for super smooth, thick, creamy texture. Pink pitaya is the key ingredient for this smoothie to achieve that gorgeous pink color. It helps keep you fuller for longer. It's an amazing way to up your fiber intake. I love this pink. Now add all the toppings. The blueberries, raspberries, dragon fruit balls, almonds, then chia seeds, and done. Thank you for watching this video. I would be delighted to have you a member of our community. So please make sure to like, share and subscribe so that you do not miss out on any of our future videos. In the description box, I will also mention all the links from my previous videos. See you soon. Eat clean.